On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram mention in story problem. So if you have any problem with the mention in story, this video is gonna help you a lot. So first thing you wanna do is open the settings and then go to the wireless and networks and enable the airplane mode. Go back, click on the apps manager, open the apps and search for Instagram like this. Click on it. I'm sorry. After you click on Instagram, it will take you to this page. This is the app informations page, as you can see. All what you have to do now is click on the notifications management and make sure that all the notifications are enabled like this. Go back, click on this option force stop to stop running the app in the background, and click on the storage, click on clear cache, clear data, and that's it. Now all what you have to do is go back and disable the airplane mode, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.